I am so grateful to Dr. Gazelle for working with me for the last several months. I came to this coaching program sort of at a juncture in my career, looking for some career advice, and really found that this was a different journey that I embarked on, thinking about finding clarity in my own values and how I use my time and what I want to focus on for my career. And has also made an effect on even just everything from small choices that I make every day to those bigger career and family milestones. And I think has been really meaningful for me. I also have noticed a bunch of things became much easier as I gained that clarity, like getting notes done, getting follow up with my patients, and really focusing my time on things that are meaningful and have impact. And after spending my entire career as an attending, having difficulty getting my notes done the same day, I have now gotten all my notes done the same day, which has been really a gift, both for me and also for my team. And has meant that every day when I go home, I have all of that weight off my shoulders. I think this is a really great investment in yourself and your patience and your career as you think about how to make more impact in the wonderful work we do as physicians for our patients and our communities.